In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password in Hostinger. If you want to make sure your account has a password set up properly, this is a very quick process, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. Before you begin, make sure you're already logged into your Hostinger account, because we'll be changing a setting from inside the account dashboard. Once you're in, go to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to personal account options, and the one we need for this process is the account information section. From the drop-down menu, click Account Information. This will take you to the page where you can manage details related to your account. On this page, take a moment to scroll down until you reach the Account Settings area. Depending on your screen size or device, you may need to scroll a bit further, so just keep an eye out for that section. Once you find Account Settings, look for the option that says Add Password. This is the setting you'll use to create a password for your account. Click on Add Password to continue. Now you'll be asked to enter your new password. Type the password you want to use into the first field. After that, enter the same password again in the confirmation field. This second step is important because it helps make sure there were no typing mistakes the first time. When creating your password, it's a good idea to choose something strong and secure. Try to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols if the platform allows it. Also, avoid using easy-to-guess information. A strong password helps keep your account better protected. After you've entered the password and confirmed it, that's it. Your password will be added to the account. Just make sure both entries match exactly before finishing, since even a small difference will prevent it from being accepted. And that's the full process for adding a password in Hostinger. As you can see, it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If you're following along, just go step by step. Profile icon, account information, scroll to account settings, click Add Password, then enter and confirm your password. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.